So, the French and Indian War. The French and Indian War was part of a larger conflict named the Seven Years' War. This was a war between two of the dominant empires of Europe during the 18th century or the 1700s, namely Britain and France. While some other empires were also involved at different times, for our purposes we are going to limit the focus to France and Britain. Both these countries have been in competition over the territories that they wish to colonise in order to expand their empires and their resources. The Seven Years' War was fought mainly between 1754 to 1763, which is weird, given that the 7 Years' War actually went for 9 years. Anyhow, the French and Indian War was one of the theatres of conflict of the 7 Years' War, and it took place in North America between the French, also allied with a range of Indians such as the Mohawk, and the British, who were also allied themselves with Indian groups such as the Iroquois. The French and Indian War was a conflict concerned with the capture of forts in order to become a colonial territory. The conflict took place mainly in the northern part of America and saw a series of attacks and battles around colonial forts. The French and Indian War is important as our starting point of the course, as it caused the accumulation of war debt of £130 million that the British believed they needed to reclaim from the colonists at the conclusion of the war. The French and Indian War was officially concluded with the Peace of Paris in 1763.